Tensions in the Middle East escalated dramatically as missiles believed to have been launched from Iran were seen streaking across the skies over Jerusalem late Tuesday night. Eyewitnesses in the city captured video footage of the projectiles, prompting widespread alarm and immediate shelter-in-place orders. Explosions were reportedly heard across multiple regions of Israel, including Tel Aviv, Haifa, and the northern border areas, indicating a coordinated and far-reaching attack. The Israeli Defense Forces, IDF, responded swiftly, activating air defense systems and deploying interceptors to protect key urban and military areas. While officials have yet to confirm the full extent of the damage or casualties, early reports suggest that several sites were impacted and emergency services have been dispatched across affected zones. This latest development comes amid growing regional instability and rising tensions between Iran and Israel, with both sides exchanging sharp warnings in recent weeks. If confirmed, the missile launches would mark one of the most direct and provocative acts from Iran toward Israel in recent history, heightening fears of a broader conflict. International leaders are closely monitoring the situation, with urgent calls for de-escalation already emerging from the United Nations and major Western capitals. Iranian air defenses lit up the night sky over Tehran as Israel launched a series of targeted strikes deep inside Iranian territory, in what appears to be a major escalation between the two longtime adversaries. Residents in Tehran reported hearing loud explosions and seeing anti-aircraft fire as Iran's military scrambled to intercept incoming projectiles. The strikes reportedly targeted key military and intelligence sites, though the full extent of the damage remains unclear. This marks one of the most direct and daring Israeli operations inside Iran to date, signaling a sharp escalation in an already volatile regional standoff.